Hey, welcome back. After 50 years, I realized Wing Chun need to change. I've trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I've taught students around the world, and today I'm going to say something that may upset many people. Wing Chun as it's taught today is slowly dying, and it doesn't have to. Most people think tradition means preserving everything exactly as it was. But real Wing Chun was never about copying shapes. It was about survival, efficiency, and adaptation. After 50 years of training, fighting, teaching, and aging with this art, I realized something important. If Wing Chun does not change, it will not survive. I started Wing Chun when I was young. I trained under a traditional teacher. I tested it in real situations, not just in school, but under pressure. I have taught thousands of students across different countries, ages, and body types. And now at 70 plus, I can still move, strike, and train because I stopped training Wing Chun the wrong way. Most Wing Chun today is frozen in time. People memorize form, collect techniques, and worship lineage, but they don't understand structure, timing, pressure, or nervous system response. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Wing Chun was designed for real chaos, not demonstration, not tournament, not social media. When training becomes performance instead of functions, the art loses its soul. What Wing Chun was really meant to be. Wing Chun was never about being fast or strong. It is about efficiency, positioning, and economy of motion. It trained balance, breathing, tendons, strength, and reflex, not muscles and ego. The old masters adapted because they had to survive. If they were alive today, they would not train exactly the same way. What need to change? We don't need more techniques. We need better training methods, less choreography, more pressure, less fantasy, more reality. Wing Chun must train structure before speed, calm before aggression, awareness before strength. This is how Wing Chun stay relevant. Not by fighting MMA, but by being what it was always meant to be. To me, the foundation is very important. So let's practice the basic foundation together. Wing Chun basic position. Now, today we're going to practice Tan Sao and double punching. Can you do that? So, let's start from the basic position. Open your hands on the right side and extend it up. Let's start from the basic position, Tan Sao position. Extend your arms out and making sure that the elbow is a punch away. Not too much or too little. If you go too much, you will overextend yourself and you will lose your balance and your structure. Too little, you'll be too tight and you slow your motion, and it will slow your movement down. So let's practice that first. Tan Sao, right to the middle. The middle fingers is pointing to your toes. That's where your center line is. You see? That's where your center line is. And just practice that first. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try again. 1, 2, take your time. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's called Tan Sao and punch. Tan Sao, so defend, attack. Defend, attack. Defend, attack. Defend, attack. Tan Sao, punch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to the middle. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Middle again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then back to your Wing Chun basic stance and relax. So just to summarize, always start with the Wing Chun basic stance, position, square. Do not lean forward or backward or left or right. Okay? Stay in this position. Now bring both fists up to your chest level. Your fists which in line with your nipple. And then when you extend your thumbs out, making sure that the elbow is a punch away, and this will help you to strengthen your structure. And then do not overdo it or underdo it, just a punch away. Thumbs out, and then you punch. Thumbs out, and then you punch. So it's a block and punch. Simultaneously defend and attack. So you defend and attack, defend and attack, defend and attack. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to the middle. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then back to your Wing Chun basic stance and relax. Just follow this video and practice it every day, and then after 2 weeks you'll find that your thumbs out and your punch will improve greatly. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. All you need now is to keep practicing your basic. This isn't an attack on Wing Chun. This is an art of respect. After 50 years, I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm here to pass on what actually works. So Wing Chun can live on, not as a museum piece, but as a living art. In Wing Chun, the most important thing is your basic and your foundation. Once you have that, everything becomes easy. So Wing Chun can live on, not as a museum, but as a living art. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.